Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we'll be looking at the French alphabet, l'alphabet français. So before we dive into today's topic, I would love to let us know the essence of why we are learning this French alphabet. Basically, the French alphabet helps us to be able to understand the sound, and it helps in our writing skills. Basically, you are not just learning the French alphabet because it is normal to learn the French alphabet, but you are learning it because each sound helps even while you are pronouncing those French words. So it is important for us to know that we are not just learning it for learning sake, because l'alphabet français nous permettront d'écrire en français et l'alphabet phonétique nous permettront transcrire en français. So basically what I've just said is French alphabet helps us to be able to write in French, while the phonetic alphabet helps us in our transcription. So let us dive into today's topic. Just like in English, we have 26 letters of the alphabet as well. So also in French, we have the 26 letters of the alphabet. And it's not as difficult as that if we can just pay attention to those sounds, and then that's all. So let's start. These are the 26 letters of the alphabet, and the sounds are below the way they are pronounced in French. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Can you see it's not difficult? It's so easy. But then I would love to bring our attention to something. Just like we have in English language, we have G and J. In French, we interchange it. That is, for G, we say J, and for J, we say G. This is it here. So let's take it once more so we can pay emphasis on it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Can you see? J. Instead of G in English language, you say J. H, E, G. Can you see? J and G. It's like J and G. So let's continue. G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So easy. Can we see? It's not difficult at all. So let me know at the comment section how well you can recite the French alphabet. Okay, see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. And share my video if you find it useful, and most importantly, subscribe so that you will be the first to be notified when I drop my video. Till then, a plus.